And now we're going to show you a different version of the control panels in our Tribute models. To start off, you just need to simply press the power button. This will not only wake up your control panel, it will also turn on the electrics in your motorhome. You now, if you want to use your toilet, your shower or your sink, you just simply need to press your little water pump. This will make a noise. That is just indicating that the pump is working and pumping the water around your pipes. This button here is your water levels, and as you can see, that one just then lit up and now it's gone back down as there is nothing in it. This one is your leisure battery. This will show you the levels of the voltage in your leisure battery. This one here is the voltage in the vehicle battery. The more you drive and when you're being hooked up to electric, these two will go up. And that is how you use the Tribute control panel in the motorhome.